Knife heads. Hi guys. How you guys doing? I come across a slight issue, and I was wanting to see if you guys could help me out. I got it right here in this Knife Crazy slip. You can see it's a big boy. It's sticking out just a little bit. But let's get into it and see if you guys could help me out. This right here is a Shat and Morgan. I've always called this knife a cigar jack. But I did a short about it yesterday, day before, and I've had a bunch of people telling me they think it's not a cigar jack, it is a English jack. I don't know. But I was told when I got it, it was a cigar jack, and that's what it looks like. So I just like to, for you guys out there, my knife heads, to let me know, what do you think it is? A cigar jack or English jack? But it's got real dark purple handles. I want to say it's a 4-inch knife, 4.5 inch. Look at the main blade here. It's got a long pull, got swedging. This knife is a 1997. It's got it on the back of the tang. Front side it says Shat and Morgan. On the blade it has a big SXM, and it says trademarked. That's the main blade, and it's got 042 129 on the pin blade. So if you guys wouldn't care, let me know what you think that is. Cigar jack or English jack. Either way, I appreciate it. If you don't know, that's fine. If you do, let your boy know. Because I could be wrong, and I'm okay with that. But that's in my pocket today, in this Knife Crazy slip. He makes great slips. I've always got a Knife Crazy slip on me, even if I don't show it. Let's see. I got one more on me. And I got my work carry. But this one I got a Georgia Adventure slip. And I got the Abalone razor knife, one arm bandit, 2024. And I'm going to get me a new phone, guys. You just got to give me a week or two, then you'll be able to see the tang stamps and stuff again, I promise. Your boy's got to save up for a $1,000 phone. You know what I mean? Just a little jack knife, or yeah, this is a jack razor in Abalone. The vault knife for this year. It's got half stops. Both the blades straight down Broadway, the way Biggie likes it. Come on. And I got that in the Georgia Adventure slip. The coffin slip. You know what I mean? Let's see what else I got. Oh, I got my work carry. I didn't do my work carry yesterday. It was busy at work. I didn't get a break. But I did use it a lot. I'll probably make up for it today if I get time. And I got this one I ain't going to show. I'm just going to do a little flash. And I got an open tag I have to do today on a short. And this is it. He did me up last week. He did a stag. And someone else did a stag and I didn't. So today I'm doing a stag. So if you guys want to see it, come on over to the shorts here in about 20 minutes and you will see the open tag, and it's a stag and it's a banger. I would not lie to you guys. It's in the 70s. So y'all, stay classy. You hear?